Food just tastes better when you're surrounded by nature and fresh air, especially after an action-packed day. But to make the deliciousness happen, it takes a great set of cookware, but you also don't want to find something that's too heavy and difficult to transport. Ideally, they should also be easy to clean, which means a non-stick surface is always a plus. There are many products available to choose camping cookware, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping cookware from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Large Dutch Oven Combo. There's nothing quite like a good cast iron for when you're serious about camp cooking. The Large Dutch Oven Combo proved itself to be a versatile take on cast iron cookware. This product weighed only 13 pounds and used cast iron material. It took the longest to heat up. Once it was piping hot, the skillet held a consistent, even heat that left us with a perfectly cooked over easy egg. Despite no non-stick coating, naturally, cast iron is about as durable as it gets. This was the only cookware in our test that could go right on the fire. This gives more even heat and eliminates hot spots, which we struggled with while trying to cook directly on coals with the Large Dutch Oven Combo. Still, a good cast iron is a staple around the campsite, and the Large Dutch Oven Combo offered a versatile take that we found ourselves grabbing often. Number 2. MallowMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The MallowMe is a popular budget option, and we wanted to see how it held up. While it has everything you need to get you through a camp meal, it was our least favorite cookware to use. It did fairly well at heat retention but had the worst skillet in our test. The skillet had multiple hot spots and burns while cooking an egg, and the results weren't appetizing. The pot takes nearly 5 minutes to boil a liter of water. Gripping the low plastic top of the lid brings your fingers just millimeters from the metal. When this set was heated up, we had a hard time removing the lid without burning our fingertips. The bowls were ridiculously tiny to actually eat from. The ladle came in handy a couple of times, but we could have done without it. The Snow Peak Personal Cooker is in a comparable price range and is much more durable, easier to use, and better performing. The MallowMe for anyone looking for a cheap camping cookware set. Number 3. Snow Peak Trek 900 Titanium Cook Set. Perfect for backpacking. Snow Peak's titanium cook set only weighs a mere 6 ounces. With it, you'll get a 30 fluid ounce pot and a frying pan that can act as a cover for the pot, giving you some flexibility with your meals. Considering how small it is, though, I'd suggest you only use it to feed yourself. Don't feel like you can only set this cookware over an open campfire either. It's the perfect size to store a 250 grams fuel canister, so as long as you have a stovetop to screw onto to fuel, you can transform it into a single propane burner. Some of you might find this method of cooking to be preferable, unless you aren't keen on carrying the weight of the fuel in your pack. In addition to being lightweight and durable, the titanium also resists rust buildup. While the cooking surface might be a pain to clean, depending on what you're making, that's about the only maintenance that this product will require. Number 4. Stanley Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. High quality and easy to store, Stanley's cook set really covers all of your culinary bases, especially when you're looking for the best camping cookware for an open fire. Made from stainless steel that's actually non-stick, it will last you a lifetime, whether you're using it on a stove or over a hot campfire. The non-stick properties also make cleaning up a breeze, saving you a lot of effort when you may not have a sink handy. Spatula and spoon are included with the set, along with a cutting board. Each has a 2-piece handle, so they're easy to take apart and put into storage. In fact, everything nests perfectly inside of the largest stock pot, so you only have to worry about one big package instead of several smaller items. Everything has a nice heft to it as well, which provides some confidence that it will actually last for a while. Of course, the extra weight will limit your mobility, but that's a sacrifice I believe is worth making. The quality is second to none and may actually be better than what you have in the cupboards back home. Number 5. GSI Outdoors Glacier Base Camper Cook Set. I bet you weren't thinking you'd need more than one pot for your camping trip. But when you've got a large crew to feed and want to do something a little fancier, you'll be glad you had the GSI Glacier Base Camper Cook Set. Big and heavy, there's no getting around it. This set can only be used for car camping and RVing. It just means that it's well made and will last a lifetime, if you take good care of it. The stainless steel is perfect for cooking over an open fire, but you can also make use of them at home. All of the pots come with well-fitting lids and the entire set can safely be stored inside the included strap basket. So, despite how heavy everything is altogether, the 2 pots and the pan can still easily be transported from one place to another. My biggest gripe with this product is that it isn't actually stainless. What I mean is that the metal will stain and discolor with use, making the pots and pan less aesthetically pleasing over time. Part of this has to do with how thin the metal is, as it can make food prone to sticking. That's all from my end. I create helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.